Hey everyone, stop playing a losing game by gambling on while someone else's meme coins are making a shit ton of money. You need to realize that the real money belongs to the creators who build the market, not the traders who follow it. I'm finally revealing my personal full blueprint for launching assets and banking real profit every single day. There are no paywalls or fake courses here, just the pure, unfiltered cheat code to taking control of the industry. By the end of this video, you will have the complete framework of how to create a coin. Let's get into it. To get a free coin right now, keep a close watch on this video. I will be dropping one sol for multiple peoples in random spots throughout the video. Stay until the finish so you can grab your chance. Oh my god, you guys can see that 3,000 market cap, 2,000 liquidity, but I would highly recommend 100% remove liquidity, wait for your phantom wallet to show up, ignore the block, click on confirm, wait for a few seconds as liquidity is removed, and bang, bro, that's exactly how to do it, bro. I just dev'd a coin in front of you. And look, in my phantom wallet, yes, we received it, okay? As it should. And yes, you can look at the proof of removing liquidity. Now, this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, so please do your due diligence and do your own research. If you're still trading meme coins right now, you are putting yourself in the weakest position in the market. Why? Most traders lose millions of dollars trading meme coins. Most traders buy after the movement starts and when the hype is at its peak, and the person who created the coin exits into that demand, leaving traders ultimately to lose all their money because they become exit liquidity. That's why people who actually win in this space are not focused on trading, but they're focused on creating the hype themselves, also known as deving coins. It's low risk and high upside because you have nothing to lose if no one buys your coin, unlike trading. You can just test your luck, launch a coin for literally $0 and wait for people to buy it. When the hype is high and the volume is really high, you can just cash out and repeat that method as a dev and just stack up that crypto portfolio. But when you trade though, you need a big portfolio and you always have the risk of losing all your money because he could rug pull at any moment. So that's exactly why I am making this video on how to dev. I will be showing you guys exactly how I dev and make hundreds of thousands of dollars with this deving strategy. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Now, guys, most people, when they launch meme coins, they make them on Pump.Fun right here. Now, I'm pretty sure 95% of everyone watching this video right now knows what Pump.Fun is. It's the biggest DEX right now with the most volume, but here's exactly why I do not launch here. It's oversaturated. It's simply competitive. As I can see, there are too many coins launching on Pump.Fun. So the odds that your coin, goes viral are extremely low. And let's be honest, bro, you do not control your own liquidity pool, which means you cannot just remove the liquidity and cash out. You will need to buy a lot of supplies, and that is just not worth it. So instead, I launch my meme coins on the Radium DEX, which is also called the migrate section. Here is where most of the volume lies. There are real people buying your coins. There's more volume, and there's just more potential. That's why I dev on Radium, bro. You guys will see, it's actually insane. It's basically like free promotion because there is no competition. Now look, to launch a meme coin on Radium, bro, do not use Pump.Fun because it will have to go through a migration price of $35,000. Instead, use launchmeme.fun. This is the best launch pad for Radium. Every single coin that you dev goes to Radium immediately, and that's exactly why people gatekeep this launch pad. Now you have multiple ways of deving a coin on launchmeme.fun. You could either create a whole new coin custom made from scratch by following the steps and inventing a name, symbol, and image, or you can use their free Twitter tracker and turn tweets into coins within seconds. For example, if a viral tweet comes out, you can be the first one on the chain to turn it into a coin. But in this video, bro, we will be using a different approach, the copy trending coin strategy. So instead of creating a whole new coin from scratch, we will copy a coin that is going viral right now on Pump.Fun and bring it back to Radium. All these coins have compelling narratives. They're all getting a bunch of attention, a bunch of buyers, and just a bunch of everything, which means they have a proven narrative and community. We will be using these ideas to recopy them back to Radium, where we can get a bunch of trades, buyers, and just profits in our pockets. I will even do an example with this strategy. All right, now that you're making some money, let me show you how. First, make sure your Phantom wallet is properly connected. Click on refresh, right? And then now look and scout for a coin to copy. Just choose one, okay? I'm going to choose this coin. I chose it completely randomly. Click on copy to Radium. Your Phantom wallet will appear. Just make sure to ignore the block. This block is normal from Phantom. Every launchpad will get this at the beginning. Click on proceed, confirm I understand, confirm, and then the coin will be created right within a couple of seconds. It should load in soon. Boom, the token is successfully created. And if I go to SolScan, you can see it was minted on chain 14 seconds ago. So go back to the site and click create liquidity. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now, here's exactly how this page works. Once the Radium liquidity pool is created, the funds will go to Radium. It will show up in front of thousands of people right here in the migration section, and you will have a supply. It's that easy. Just follow along if you are not sure of what is happening. For the amount of coins, click on 90%. This will drop whatever 90% is for supply. For the amount of SOL right here, put anywhere from 0.3 SOL to 1 SOL. It's up to you. I'm going to put 0.3 SOL right here, okay? You are not going to lose this amount. You will get this back at any given moment that you want, okay? Once you exit, it will come back, so it's not a big deal. Click on Create Pool, wait for your Phantom wallet to show up, ignore the block, click on Confirm, wait for a second, and bang. After that, the coin is live. People are now able to see your coin, ape in, buy in, everything, and your profits and losses are going to show up right there. Now look guys, if you click the refresh button, as you can see, we're up 115 bucks in profits. This is a great sign for our copied coin. Now go to any trading terminal to view your coin. I use Photon. Let it load properly and you can clearly see the volume coming in, lots of transactions happening, but launching is only half the battle. If nobody knows the coin exists, nobody buys. We are going straight to promote memes.fun. This gets you instant exposure on Dex Screener, GMGN, and Bird Eye automatically. Let's do it live. Connect your Phantom wallet, paste your token address, and choose your package. I'm going with the advanced 0.5 SOL option for max reach. You can choose anything, just make sure you enable include free website. That part is very important. Upload your logo, set your token name, select Radium, and select your preferred theme. I'm going with the black one and just click confirm. As you can see, our website preferences are saved and good to go. Now click Pay and Promote. Your wallet pops up again. Same process, ignore the warning, click Confirm, and that's it, you're done. Now watch this. Within seconds, it builds a clean website and starts promoting your coin to thousands of traders. And boom, the website is ready. Open it, and you'll see a proper landing page with token details, tokenomics, and chart links. You can also add a token website link to your socials. Let's go over to Photon to view the chart. Oh my god, you guys can see that 3,000 market cap, 2,000 liquidity. Things are looking absolutely insane. The fuck, the chart is pumping. I cannot even talk right now. What the fuck? This is insane. We're already up like $1,000 if I had to guess. This is insane. This is exactly why I endorse deving so much. It's actually insane, bro. These are all retail traders. And if you get lucky, bro, someone could call out your coin in some big trading group, and that could make your coin go fucking bananas, but that is not likely, okay? We're already at a 2.5k liquidity. This should be like a 1.5k. We're already up like 1.5k if I had to guess. Now, I'm going to let this coin run for a tiny bit. When I come back, I will show you how to cash out your profits, and I will show you how much we make. All right, guys, I am back. We're at a 6,000 market cap, 3,000 liquidity. Let's cash out. Come back to launchmeme.fun, and obviously, bro, click on the refresh button to see how much you're up now. And as you can see, we are up $2,296 in profits. That is insane, in my opinion. Click on the minus button and make sure to click on a 100%, okay? You can do less if you want, if that's part of your strategy, but I would highly recommend 100%. Remove liquidity. Wait for your Phantom wallet to show up, ignore the block, click on confirm, wait for a few seconds as liquidity is removed, and bang, bro, that's exactly how to do it, bro. I just dev'd a coin in front of you. And look, in my Phantom wallet, yes, we received it, okay? As it should. 2 grands straight into my Phantom wallet, bro, without fluff. Now, it's up to you to take action. Start deving right now, stop trading. Launchmeme.fun will be linked down below, or just go to Google. It's up to you. Like, subscribe and join my Discord. It's really important to network with me or with others. See you in the next video. To win free souls for your launch costs, just subscribe, like the video, and comment rug pull below. I'm helping someone get a head start before they build their next coin. The winner will be announced on my Discord and Telegram, and will also join both groups. Without following, you'll not get any souls, so make sure you're following there to be eligible.